Hey guys, I'm Tapos Group and today I'm going to be playing Cake Wars because you guys love these Cake War videos. And today I'm going to play with my friend Arthur, whose name is Spectra0078598. Very long number, but okay, sure. Okay.
Oh, let's go. Okay.
Arthur? Hi Arthur. Oh, okay, the game started. Yeah,
Let's go. I love this map.
okay. Good to know. Yep, I got wool. Okay, I'm going to an emerald point, Arthur. You just get resources until you get, what do you call this? What's it called? Endstone. Okay, wait for that.
No, even I'm going for the other emerald point.
There's another emerald point here. Where?
There isn't another emerald.
No. There's only one for us. Other. Okay, endstone, check. Wool, check. Oh no, yeah.
That's what makes it so good.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what.
not able to collect. Oh wait.
Good job.
I thought that I wasn't. I thought that I wasn't able to collect the middle point.
Nice. Wait, not nice at all actually. Okay. Stay there for a while. I'll collect as many nether stars as I can. Actually, you know what? Come back to base and get up a bit.
No, I'm going for blue's emerald point.
Okay. I'm just buying a diamond sword and some tools so I can help you like fight if you need help at the middle point. Okay. I'm full iron armor. Let's go.
Okay, come on. I'm dead.
You died? Okay, that's sad.
Blue killed me.
Okay. Other. I just need 5 more nether stars.
But we don't have the we don't have this. Okay.
We have the middle point. What are you talking about? Oh no, we just lost it. Okay. Wait, the middle point.
I'm just getting catered up.
Oh, you're building to blue's base, huh? Okay.
No, I was building to the.
Yeah. What? Same difference.
It's okay. You just come back.
You know what? I'm going to kill him and then I'm going to buy a pickaxe from his store because why not? Die.
Trolling.
I know, right? Come on, die. Oh no, he has diamond leggings. Okay, he might just kill me. Don't kill me. Come on, die. No, he's getting the hits on me. Let's go, I killed him. I just have to buy a pickaxe fast. Okay. Has he spawned? Yep, he spawned. No, he's not. Okay. Die. Fast. Okay, now I have to eat the cake fast. Fast. Come on. Eat. Let's go. This cake is gone. What? Adil?
What?
Are you at base?
I was just sitting and collecting resources.
Dude.
And purple just came. Oh no, I'm.
You should have told me. I would have come back to base.
Not even I'm. Okay, I killed him.
Adil, leave me also something.
Nope.
Adil, do you have one other star? Yeah, thank you. Okay. I'm getting protection 1. Let's go.
Okay.
So why not? Just buy everything you can because it's your one life. Use it wisely, Ajay. Use it wisely.
Okay, I'm absolutely clueless of what you said, but I'll take that.
Yep. Wow, you're still taking my resources. I'm sad. Well, as a cake, so we have to just take the cake and they're alone, so we can kill him.
No, purple is only one guy.
Yeah, that's what. Let me just get leggings, boots. Ajay, can you put more emeralds in the chest?
Okay, I'll take.
Thank you. Okay, I'm buying leggings and
We just lost a middle point. I'm going to collect the middle
no,
point.
Other. We're not going for the middle point. Other, buy an ender pearl. We're going to go and kill his cake. He's one person and he has a cake, so we should take it out right now. Where's his base?
Come on, go.
Other, that's not where his base is. He's planning to push us off the bridge. The smart strat.
I don't think that he's active.
He is. See, he's baiting you in. Just build and oh, he doesn't have a way to come back. Other, stay at middle point. Don't let him come to base. Wait, where's his cake? Huh? Okay, I found it, Arthur.
He's still looking at me.
Yeah, let him look at you. I'm eating his cake while he's looking at you. I'm eating it.
Okay, now he's coming for me.
Okay, kill him. His cake is gone.
And okay, now I'm running after him.
Arthur, die, please.
Let's go.
Let's
man.
go! Woo! Good
Woo.
job, Arthur. Let's go! We did it, boys. We did it. You're so scared that I'm in your butt. Okay, sure.
What? How do you always reach there first? Do you take damage?
Yeah, I just take half a heart of damage. So worth it. Wow, why is it so dark here? Stop being dark. My game is glitching out for some reason. Oh, nice.
Maybe it must be in that block.
Yeah, it's just like one side of this, my base is dark. Like pitch black. Weird. Arthur, you took middle point?
Taking.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Good job, good job.
Look.
Stay there as long as you
Glitching.
can, okay?
What? I have to stay there, okay?
It's your choice actually. You can come back if you want to. Because I've only got one other start till now. So, not going great, I guess. Okay, I got two. That's better than one. Let's go.
Okay, now Purple's cake has been eaten.
Already? Nice, okay.
Yeah.
Someone's doing the. Wait! Come on. Half armor. Come on, let's go. Arthur, how many other stars do you have? I have 6.
9.
Buy
9.
resources, buy resources. Sorry, buy protection too.
Wait, or I'll buy resources too, because you see, if we get resources too, then we just lost the middle point.
Okay, then just buy
I'm going back.
protection. We don't need that.
I'm dropping my nether stars. Okay, and as soon as you get one, then just
What do you mean? How
just
many do
buy
you have,
resources,
Arthur?
okay?
You have 19.
Wait,
Okay.
19.
Okay, put them in the
I'm
chest.
going.
Duh.
I gave them to you.
I just took an emerald point. Nice. Okay. They don't even have days. Where are they?
Okay, now I'm getting resources too. Then I'm gonna buy a protection.
Hi. Die.
Well,
I'm killing green. I'm killing green.
now we
Green
have
is gonna die.
24
Green is gonna
nether
die.
stars.
Come on, die. Let's go. Okay. I ate this cake. So green is not a threat anymore. And I killed them also. So yeah, sad. Let's go. We are killing this, people. We're killing this. Whoa, whoop. Okay. Other get protection too.
Yeah. All I need is just one.
Oh my god, already? Let's go. Okay, Adha, how many emeralds do you have?
31.
Oh my god, already? Power of resources, man.
We're on resources too.
Adha, can you give me some emeralds?
Yeah,
You're already full diamond. Wow, okay.
take.
Yeah, I'm picking them up.
Okay, I'm giving you all.
Okay, let's see if I'm picking them up. Dude, I'm not picking any up. Adha, stop a minute.
Check.
Okay, I picked them up. Okay, thanks. That's enough. Okay, that's a lot of emeralds, Adha. Oh my god, let's go. Adha, do you have more? Put them in the chest. You can buy TNT poly.
Go check it. Just go check the chest.
What? Okay, chest.
Go check the chest.
Adha?
What?
Whoa, what? 56 emeralds. And this, I just added a bit of touch to that.
And even I'll add a bit of touch.
We literally making a house in our chest. Literally. Oh my god, a stack. Let's go. Taking these for our base. And buy Rune of Holding, Adha.
What?
So that if you die, you get your stuff. You die with the stuff and you get it back. It's nice.
So what should I get?
Rune of Holding.
In the emerald shop.
Yeah. So I meant to do that.
What is it called again?
Rune of Holding.
I have 60 emeralds.
Let's go.
Should I get another one?
What? No, it doesn't. It's very useless to get 2. Yeah, let's go for pink. Get 2.
Even I'm going.
I'm finding pink. Oh, I can't see them. Track. Oh no. I nearly fell through the hole in the map. Adha, don't come here. There's a hole here. I nearly fell in that. Doing so dumb.
Go.
Okay, pink's at blue's base. Why?
Or
No, blue's
no, blue's
red.
red.
That's what.
Oh, huh.
Wait, is this pink's base then? I'm killing him. He's in the shop. Don't be careful not to open shop. Oh, no, he's running. He's running.
I just did it.
Yeah, I know. I killed him.
Did
But
he
where?
just die? What are they doing?
Not hacking. This is blocking up everyone's base so we don't know base is theirs. Which is kind of smart. Okay. Iron armor.
Let's check it.
Die your holy iron armor. What are you doing? Try to take our
You killed him?
emerald point. Yeah, I killed him.
Or
Orange. Wait. No, they're not dead.
wait, what? Oh,
I
wait,
think
the
I found the
is
cake.
still
I found the cake. Arthur. Have I? Yes, I think I
Wait for
found the
me.
cake. Follow me.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
It's right next to orange.
I'm coming with
Oh
my
no,
diamond
they
pickaxe.
both have full diamond armor. I even have a diamond pickaxe.
We have enchanted armor. The diamond armor.
I'm eating
is
their
fucking
cake. I'm eating their
useless.
cake. They don't even know I'm here. Let's go. Arthur, kill them. They don't even know we are here. Wait, okay, he knows you're there. Yeah, Bruno. Okay, I killed one. Whoa, the game lagged bad. Okay. Oh my, what? Hacking is like using mental powers. Okay, he's running. Don't let him live. He's strong. Believe me, I know. He was my teammate. R.I.P. Rup Norman. So die. Oh no, he's building up.
He's doing what?
He's building up. He's trying to buy something. He's bought an ender pearl. He's teleporting. Come on. No! He ender
Did he
pearled.
die? Oh,
He ender pearled on one heart either. I know which base he's gone to, but he's gone to the orange base. Or whatever base is here.
imagine if we die at this stage. We got nobody's here.
We have a rune of holding either. No, I found him. He's here.
Let me kill him.
He's too
He's
far.
gonna die.
What is he doing?
No, must be scared of us.
He's
You see,
putting
because
blocks. He's like throwing blocks at me.
we're rich.
Die. Other
No.
don't miss.
No.
I was going to say don't miss the jump. I'm alone.
Okay, it's okay, you'll get him. We are fully kitted.
He's getting his bow arrow shots on me.
We're
Oh,
100%
I pushed him off
kitted.
the map. Let's go. Bow and arrow skills, boys. Okay. Orange, where are you? I hope I don't fall off the map. I hope I'm not jinxed myself also.
You're at pink emerald point, right?
I'm not taking it. I don't care. Or I'm eating a golden apple just to be safe.
Okay, orange is. I think he left the game.
No, he's
there.
here.
He's at his base.
He's AFK.
I think his name is Scars Fan.
I killed him.
At his base.
Okay, where's his
Yeah,
base?
he's at his base.
I'm at middle
wait.
point. Tell me which direction to go.
Wait, I'm checking. Wait, where is middle? I'm lagging.
I'm at our
Why
base.
am I just coming into this base?
Okay, I'm coming for you, Orange. You're gonna die. Wait, is he at base? Yes, he is.
He's AFK.
I'm shooting with my bow.
Now punch him.
Okay, I'm punching with bricks. Gonna die with bricks, bro. Let's go, Adil. We finally won again.
Red.
Good night, joined red. Wait, I can't see anything.
I joined yellow, then I
Oh,
joined.
Adil, hi.
I joined yellow, then I joined blue, then I joined red.
Long story short, you're back at our team. Yeah, boy. Okay, Adil, you buy endstone. Okay, you start with the endstone. Don't buy any blocks. Buy endstone.
I'm going. No, but I'm going. Oh, wait, you're going there. I'll just go to the middle point.
No, Adil, let's go for the other our opponent's team. What we did last time, so that they don't when we're trying to kill someone.
You have blocks?
I only had two. You go.
I'm coming. Okay, I have.
He's in the shop. Go fast. He's in the shop. Oh wait, is he AFK? Can't tell. Whatever. Okay, I'm jumping. Okay, he's AFK. Let's just eat his cake and punch him to death. Hi. Oh, it's that guy again, Scars Fan, the person we won because of an orange. Remember? The same dude. Wow. Yeah, boy. Go on. Cake, you are the life. You are the bro. Come on, bro. I had to misplace a block. Yay.
Okay, I actually like this map.
You said that last time
The
and we
middle
died
point.
instantly.
No, the middle point is just so near.
That's the only reason. Oh my god, someone was hacking. Good. They were kicked out. Boo hackers, boo.
What? What? How did I fell down? What?
Glitch.
No, I clearly placed the block underneath it.
I know sometimes it happens, Adher. Don't walk on the block. It happens that the block is comes and then
Oh
vanishes.
shit! Thank God I didn't buy obsidian. I actually bought obsidian,
Huh?
but it didn't register.
Oh my god,
Thank
Adher.
God. I'm back.
Adher, be careful. It might just misplace the block sometimes. That's what happens most of the times. Does the base look properly protected? Looks like it. But hee. I broke my own rules. Okay.
Then even I'll take blue.
Okay, take it, take it.
Then even black. I'll take
There's
blue.
one purple. I'm going for purple. I'm going for purple. Purple shall die because they're very purpley. Bossman 5. Bossman 126.
Boss baby.
He evolved to a man. Bossman.
Ah.
And the cake is gone. That's sad. Die. 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 Let's go. Purple's cake has been eaten and I killed them too. So, yay. I'm going for pink also because pink is also there. And I really want to kill pink. The hacking's so
Oh
pinkish.
no! I just got shot. I just got shot, but I collected. But I took blue's emerald point. Oh no! No! Oh no! No! Now Cyan is after me. Ah, I'm just there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, pink has a diamond sword. Okay. Die. 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 Die.
I'm
Person in the
I'm
shop.
at base.
Okay.
I
Other.
need to
Which
collect
base?
the mats. And I need to collect the mats. Wait, what?
No, I don't have a. I
I
don't have. I
reached
forgot to
purple's
buy an
base.
iron pickaxe. That's the problem.
I reached purple's base. And
I
I'm
know. I'm at
dead.
purple. I'm at pink's base. Other. I already picked purple. Help me. Help me fast. No.
I'm
Stop it. Stop it.
confused.
Minilish. Whatever your name is. Die. Thank you.
Oh shit! I power.
Ah,
Shit.
I knew this would
Shit.
happen someday. I kept on dreaming in my dreams. I kept on buying power one by mistake, and it actually happened. Jawad. Nice. We all saw that happen. Ting 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 ting
Uh,
ting 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 ting
it's
ting
okay.
ting ting ting
Even
ting.
power is good. You should not underestimate power.
We don't. If we have a bow, we're not even good at bow skills. Other sure. Other where's our base? I've lost our base. Sadly, I've taken two
Um,
people's cakes and killed their teams like in 2 seconds. So I'm thinking of who should I kill next.
but don't be so overconfident right now. Just come back and
Okay.
let's get up properly.
I just want to
Like how
kill
we get up
orange. Orange
properly
is only.
last. Just kill them, kill them.
Okay. Thank you for the sharpness, Adar.
I'm still on a wooden sword. I forgot. I bought all diamond armor. I'm still on
Wow,
a
Adar.
wooden sword.
No, you're killing me. Stop killing me. Let me eat your cake first. Want to kill me with a wooden sword, huh? Nice. Yeah, die. Thank you. I killed Orange. Orange is also dead. I've eaten 3 cakes, killed 5 people. So, thank you. Full diamond armor, Arthur. Nice.
Yeah, you know,
Oh, yeah, because
you
I
have to
got all the
survive.
emerald points for us. Yeah.
If you have to be if you have to survive. Okay.
Can't
I'm
even
putting
finish your
all the emeralds
sentence.
that I have.
Arthur, can you give me some
Take
emeralds?
take the emeralds. Take the emeralds.
Uh, where it's again, boy, thanks.
Take the emeralds.
Oh, shit.
It's in the chest.
I took them. A stack of them, bro. A stack. Wow, that's a lot.
Uh,
Oh no, I already used all my emeralds. That's sad. We lost middle point, Adhir.
what? Oh no, not on my watch.
Yep, let's go. I'm buying a rune of holding. I don't want to die with this stuff. And they're kind of having iron armor and diamond armor at the same time. So kill them. I'm killing them. I'm spam killing them. You break their cake, okay? Okay. They have both have diamond swords. Okay, that's a problem. Oh my god, he's taking lots of health of me. He's taking both have diamond swords. Other, I need help. I'm gonna die.
What?
I killed one. I killed one. Okay, I
just
killed
went
both of
back to
them. Let's
base.
go. I killed both of them.
You killed? Oh,
Are
go,
they
go,
where are
go,
you
go,
going?
go, go, go.
No, stop it. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Then I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Half a heart. Half a heart.
Wait, no, I'm going back to base to
Why?
get
Why are
pickaxe.
they?
These guys are made the inner part out of sandstone, and I can't
No,
break
it's
it with
sandstone. I have a
with
pickaxe. I
a
have a
sword.
pickaxe. They just kill them, please.
You have a
Just
pickaxe?
kill them. Yeah, just kill them, please. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I'm killing them.
I can't see anything. Okay. I'm eating the cake. I'm eating the cake.
Okay, I killed one guy.
Okay, the cake is gone. The cake is gone. Let's go.
Bye.
They can't kill me. I have full diamond armor. Come on, come on. Die, die, die. Let's go. After not let yeah, let's go. Now go across the bridge slowly. Wait, what if Cyan went to our base? Let's go back to base
No,
now.
no.
He died and quit. So sad.
Okay, now we have to be 100% kitted up.
We already 100% kit. What are you talking about? Look at our base. You're
100%
full of stuff. Boom. I'll just buy sharpness room. Okay. Easy. We're going to start
pickaxe.
flexing on people now. Wow. Okay. I'm enderpulling to their base because I have an enderpearl. Oh, you still buying stuff other. I'm at their base.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We need everything that
Wow,
we
you
can
have
get.
diamond armor, huh? Nice. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna kill you. Die. Divine 9. What a nice name. Die, 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 die. Come on, come on. Let's go. One died. Wait. The one teammate is so scared that they ran away instead of protecting their cake. And the cake has been eaten. Yeah, I don't care. Just hit me. I wanted to use the TNT poly. Let's just see how it works. I'm just using the TNT poly for fun. Oh no, they actually killed me. No. I'll them punch me and they killed me.
Do you have rune of holding?
Yeah, I have. Don't worry. We'll just go. I
Where
want to
are
take
they?
the last kill. They're at Sand base. I'll just punch him. Why not?
Where Sandesh? Sandesh.
Don't worry. I'm already killing them in the fist.
Wait for me.
Too late. I'm sorry, Adil. You should capture 100 points, Adil. Wow. Let's punch that cat. Come on, die, die. Yay! Let's go.
I killed him.
No, what, Adil? Hey guys, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe and comment down below what you want us to do next because I'm open for some ideas. And thank you for watching my channel and my videos. And I really appreciate this because I really have fun making these videos and this takes a lot of time. So thanks guys. Hope you like the video and bye.